The world of crypto trading is changing rapidly, and traditional methods just can't keep up. The days of spending endless hours glued to charts, second-guessing market movements, and making decisions based on gut feeling are quickly disappearing. Many traders found themselves overwhelmed, stressed, uncertain, and often losing more than they gained. FinoTraze changes everything. This is not just another trading tool. It's a complete AI-powered platform designed to give traders a smarter, faster, and more secure way to operate in today's volatile markets. Whether you're new to crypto or already experienced, FinoTraze helps level the playing field. And here's something important. Access to FinoTraze's most advanced features is currently limited. To maintain top-tier performance and security, only a restricted number of users are accepted at a time. If you're seeing this message, you still have a chance to join. Just follow the link to get started before this opportunity closes. At the heart of FinoTraze is powerful automation. Its intelligent algorithms continuously scan real-time market data, analyze global trends, and execute trades with precision and speed that simply can't be matched manually. No more late-night trading sessions, no more emotional mistakes, just data-driven decisions, tailored to your goals. The platform is built with a focus on usability. The clean, intuitive interface makes navigating the crypto market effortless, even for beginners. Yet it doesn't sacrifice depth. Advanced tools are always just a click away for those who need them. Security is a cornerstone of the FinoTraze experience. With bank-level encryption, secure wallet integration, and continuous threat monitoring, your funds and personal information are protected 24/7. You stay in control while the system handles the complexity behind the scenes. And because success in trading comes from staying informed, FinoTraze provides live performance tracking and real-time insights. You'll always know how your strategy is performing and be ready to act the moment the market shifts. Every trade is backed by data, not emotion. This is more than convenience. It's peace of mind, performance, and potential all in one place. FinoTraze is the future of crypto trading. Smart, secure, and effortless. But remember, access is limited. Registration is only open while available slots remain. Don't miss your chance to see what intelligent AI-driven trading feels like. Follow the link now and take the first step toward a smarter way to trade with FinoTraze.